क्या हुआ दादी, आपका रास्ता रोक रही है? Good morning, it's Ahoy and it's such a good morning. Arivir woke up in such a good mood. When he woke up, he gave like so many kisses to me and my husband. It's like it's such a good feeling to wake up. Like it's already a brilliant way to wake up when somebody kisses you to wake up, and when a tiny baby gives you sloppy kisses to wake you up, it's like the best feeling in the world. It's like the best kisses in the world. And that to an ahoy, which is like, oh. So yeah, it's a very nice, happy, full of love morning. In case you don't know what ahoy is, ahoy is basically like Karwa Chauth, except it's kept for the child, and we break our fast by seeing the star. In case you don't even know what Karwa Chauth is, first go watch my Karwa Chauth vlog. But it's basically I am fasting for Aryaveer, like for his good health and his long life. I am fasting today, and I will not be having any food or any water till I see a star. Although technically sun is a star too, but except sun, when it goes darker and when I see a star in the sky, that is when I will break my fast. So that's ahoy! You do it for your tiny little ones. I was earlier planning to wear like a really nice kurti that Arivir had gifted me for Mother's Day, but then it's like really long. It's from Biba. It's by Rohit Bal, and it's like super duper long, and feeding it and handling it the whole day was not a good idea. Plus it's a little expensive, and I didn't want it to get like dirty, and which is a good thing that I did, because I just fed anar to Arivir, and I've got some anar juice on my kurti, and the anar stain does not come out. If you know how to get an anar stain out of your clothes, please comment down below and let me know, because I really love this kurti. I don't want to discard it. Not really. I won't discard it because I'm like that. But still, it'd be nice to not have anar stains on my kurti. So if you know a way to remove anar stains, comment that down below. Also, I just realized that I haven't decided what I'm wearing in the evening today. Like, I haven't decided what I'm wearing for the Ahoy ki puja. Huh. Ireveer's lunch is beetroot and tomato quinoa with sweet potatoes and some masmi. We are just having that. Yeah. You like it? Do you like the sweet potato? Shakar kandi achhi hai? Yeah? Yummy. Hi. हमारी तो डगी है ये. डगी. क्या हुआ? टेबल ने आपको मारा? टेबल के पीछे गए थे? धत टेबल धत. गंदी टेबल. पिच्ची कर दो टेबल की. पिच्ची कर दो. पिच्ची कर दो टेबल की. पिच्ची कर दो. ये लो. आपकी ट्रेन अंदर घुस गई थी. ये देखो. Such an amazing thing happened today in the morning. This little boy clapped on his own for the first time today. I have quickly changed into my outfit. I haven't done any makeup right now because Aravi is asleep and I don't want to wake him up. So yeah, loving this kurta. Absolutely love this suit. I'm thinking maybe I can also wear this for Aravi's first birthday. Don't know, but I really love this. So yeah, wearing my favorite suit right now. Also, I mean Karwa Chauth, I didn't really feel like I didn't feel unwell, or I was easily able to keep the vrat, except like in the afternoon I was really thirsty. But today I have like a splitting headache, and that's sad. And that's the complete look. Yeah. Love the chunni. You guys have seen this suit before. If you've watched my vlogs long enough, then you would have seen this suit before. But yeah. Absolutely love it. We found a book. Now we don't have to listen to my modern kathas. We're gonna find Ahoy Ashokashtami ka vrat. I think this is the vrat. ये व्रत प्रातः कार्त्य विधि अष्टमी को 80 बार में okay Hindi. I swear Hindi is my mother tongue, but reading Hindi is the most difficult task in the world. That's the katha. It is katha. एक नगर में एक साहूकार रहता था. Oh, I know this story. I'll wait till Aravi wakes up and then I'll tell him this story. I got a baby mata. So for Ahoy ki puja, we have to wear this special necklace while doing the puja. So my mother-in-law just got it for me. I haven't yet seen it. I'm just opening up. Aww. Aww. And that's it. That is so cute. It comes with these rounders. Not sure how I'm going to put these together, because I'm supposed to put these in this thread. But yay! एक नगर में एक साहूकार रहा करता था. उसके 7 लड़के थे. एक दिन उसकी स्त्री खदान में मिट्टी खोदने के लिए गई और that is Ahoy Mata. We'll put like the Wali calendar here, and we'll put another calendar type thingy over there. So yeah, the festive season has started. My go Mata! We couldn't figure out how to put those gold thingies in this big thread, so I'll do that next year. But yay! I'm a mommy! Look! And this one! Yay! Araveer.
ये क्या कर रहे हो? बड़ी दादी का रास्ता रोक दिया तुमने।
क्या हुआ दादी, आपका रास्ता रोक रही है? दादी आपके रास्ते में है? बड़ी दादी आपके रास्ते में है? अच्छा ठीक, कोई नहीं हटा रहा। ओहो हाँ क्या हुआ? चलो
पीछे मोड़ लो, वापस मोड़ लो, वापस कर लेना। बता रहे हो?
You like a gift? That's a mirror. बच्चा भी है, you like it? Is it nice? Say thank you, mama.
एक ग्लास पिला दो, दो कैसे हो रही?
Ayurved has just gone to sleep. Another fast, pretty successful. Now there's no fasting till next year, which is good. I'm not feeling good right now. I actually feel horrible right now. Not because of the fast or anything, but because my video hasn't uploaded yet. It's the labor and delivery story video, hopefully, which you would have already seen by now. It's a long video. It's like a 43 minutes video, and it's huge, and that is why it's taking like so much time for uploading. I started uploading it. I put it to upload today morning at 8 a.m. and it's 11 p.m. right now, and it's still at like 83%. And I feel so bad because so many of you are messaging me and asking me where is the video, and I've been waiting for the video all day long, and I feel so horrible. It's like I am letting you guys down, and if this video does not upload in the next hour, it won't even be uploaded on this day. And I specially made this video for Ahoy because what other day than Ahoy to tell you guys my labor and delivery story. Although technically Ahoy is still also tomorrow because Ahoy has fallen on 2 days, so like that's okay, it'll still be on Ahoy. But in Diva log sense, I'll be like missing out 1 day, which is like I hate this. I shouldn't ramble so much, but I'm feeling so bad right now. I feel so sad. Anyways, it's been a good day. Otherwise, except this. I just hope it gets uploaded before 12. I just hope I don't break the vlog chain. I don't want to. It's my first Diva logs. Okay, first of all, I call it Diva log, but I think it's Diva log. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think sometimes I pronounce it wrong because it sounds like D-I-V-A, but it's D-I-W-A. But I don't know how else to pronounce it. I pronounce it Diva log, Diva log, Diva log, Diva log. I don't know. I'll have to check out Shreya, who coined the term Diva log. I'll check out her video and see how she pronounces it. So yeah, we're rambling again. Anyways, I am so sorry that you had to wait on Saturday for the video. I feel so bad. I'm sorry. But I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hopefully my videos from now on will be on time and won't be late. I love you all. Bye.